Imagine changing lives every day. In one of the world's most beautiful countries, becoming a registered nurse in New Zealand isn't just a career move. It's a journey built on care, dedication, and growth. What does it take to become a registered nurse here? Let's break it down step by step. First, you need the right foundation. A Bachelor of Nursing degree, typically completed over 3 years at an accredited university or polytechnic. Throughout your studies, you'll learn clinical skills, human biology, health assessment, and the ethics of patient care. The program also includes hands-on placements, giving you real-world experience in hospitals and clinics. Once your degree is complete, it's time for registration. The New Zealand Nursing Council is the official body that oversees this process. You'll need to submit your academic records, pass a criminal history check, and meet English language requirements. If you're coming from overseas, you may need additional bridging education or assessments to ensure your qualifications meet local standards. After approval, there's an essential step: passing the competence assessment program. This intensive course ensures you're ready to care for patients in New Zealand's unique healthcare environment. It includes clinical simulation, theory reviews, and supervised practice. With everything completed, you can apply for an Annual Practising Certificate. This allows you to work as a registered nurse and keeps you up to date with ongoing professional development each year. Behind the process, there's a community ready to support you. From student mentors to experienced nurses, collaboration and compassion guide every step. You'll join a respected profession, making a difference in lives across New Zealand, from bustling city hospitals to peaceful rural clinics. Your journey begins with a single decision: to nurture, to grow, to commit. Becoming a registered nurse in New Zealand is a pathway to purpose and pride, walking alongside those who need care the most. Ready to start your story?